Jump up right here trying to get over this pile of scale. This could be what's holding back the water right here in the master bathroom. As we come back, the camera will go underwater.
See right here.
Got another offset here. It almost looks like there might be a cable stuck in the line here from previous cleanings or something. Yeah, this is. This line's very rough on the bottom. You can see paper hanging.
And right here we got some pretty good main roots starting in the main here. Try and get through this. There is a spot open on the bottom of the line. To cease on that, flush some of this scale out.